In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Gmail contacts. Exporting your contacts is a quick way to back them up or move them to another email app, and it all happens inside Google Contacts. Start by opening your web browser and going to contacts.google.com. If you aren't already signed in, sign in with the same Google account you use for Gmail so you're looking at the right address book. A fast double check is to look at the profile icon in the top right to confirm you're in the correct account. Next, choose which contacts you want to take with you. To export just one person, click the checkbox next to their name. To gather a handful, click the checkbox beside each contact you need. If you want everything, use the master checkbox in the top left to select all. You can also search to narrow down a group first, then make your selections. If the export option seems unavailable later, it usually means no contacts are currently selected. With your contacts selected, look along the top toolbar for more actions, shown as 3 vertical dots. Click it, then choose Export. This opens a small window where you'll pick the file type. Now decide on the format based on where you'll use the contacts. Google CSV is ideal when you plan to import back into Gmail or move contacts to another Google account because the fields line up perfectly. Outlook CSV is tailored for Microsoft Outlook and works well with many Windows-based email clients. vCard, also known as .vcf, is the standard format for Apple contacts and many mobile devices. If you're unsure, Google CSV is a safe, flexible choice for Google services, and vCard is a good bet for Apple devices. After selecting the format, click Export. Your contacts file immediately downloads to your device. Most browsers save it in the Downloads folder by default, and the file name will include the word contacts along with the format you chose. If your browser asks where to save, pick a location you'll remember. Can't find it afterward? Check your browser's downloads list to open the file location. Before you finish, consider keeping this file as a backup somewhere secure. You can open CSV files in a spreadsheet app to quickly scan the data, but avoid renaming headers or changing column order if you plan to import back into a contacts manager. That's all it takes to export Gmail contacts. Simple, fast, and ready to use wherever you need them.